you ever argued your case for something and needed to back it up with solid evidence. Maybe you tried to convince a friend that one route to school is shorter than another, and you used a map to prove it. Or maybe you explained to a parent why a decision was fair by walking through your reasoning step by step. If so, you already understand the spirit behind two of the most important ideas in all of mathematics: theorems and proofs. In geometry, we do not just find answers. We explain with airtight logic why those answers must always be true. Let's explore two important tools. Theorem: a mathematical statement that has been proven to be true using logical reasoning and previously established facts. Theorems serve as reliable tools we can apply with confidence when solving problems. Think of a theorem like a law that has been tested, challenged, and confirmed beyond any doubt. The Pythagorean theorem, for example, is not just a formula that seems to work. It has been proven to be true for every right triangle that has ever existed or ever will exist, without a single exception. Proof: a logical step-by-step argument that uses definitions, theorems, and known facts to show a mathematical statement must always be true. A proof explains why something works, not just that it works. Think of a proof like a court case. A lawyer does not just claim their client is innocent. They build a careful, logical argument using evidence, facts, and established rules to lead the jury to a conclusion that cannot reasonably be disputed. In geometry, every step of a proof must be backed by a definition, a theorem, or a fact that has already been established. No assumptions, no guesses, just airtight logic from start to finish.